All right, here you guys, this is the official meat spot. This is the official meat spot for the KeyWest trip 2021 to Fantasy Fest.
All right, y'all ready? Here we go.
Hey, hey, hey.
Lappydog.
And I wanna sing a song for you.
It's
Tell
Lappydog.
you a thing or two. You have fun now with me and all the gang, learning from each other while we do our thing.
All right, you guys, we finna get this thing started officially.
We forgot to wipe the stuff off before we pray.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Anyway.
The smooth. Huh? 95 South, yeah. All right. Okay, I'm gonna get a little footage. Yeah, you gotta do it, you. Yeah.
Oh, we got what?
Yeah. The KeyWest trip is official. We have met everybody. We have one more to pick up down in Homestead, where I'm gonna meet my cousin Rodney, and then we will carry on. Let's give you a look at everybody. There goes Little Egypt. Just carry on. There go Miss Paparazzi. There go Ron and Chloe. Go ahead and speed up some. There go the Thompsons in the house. Everybody remember Woodrow. We got a couple of new ones coming up here. Here come Betty Boo. Betty Boo in here. Her husband Darwin, a.k.a. Skillet. We got Lady Smooth. We got Stick Pin and Net. I don't know what happened with them. Hoping the Harley girl. We missing some folks. Slow down a little bit, Egypt. We missing some people. Did I say paparazzi name?
You what?
Did I say paparazzi's name?
I think so, yeah. Yeah, you did.
Oh yeah, she right behind you.
Yeah.
We missing 3.
All right, I wanted to give old Teaspoon a shout out. Appreciate you coming to Daytona, seeing us on our way there, big bro. Angel Eyes get well soon. He couldn't make the whole trip, taking care of his wife. Appreciate you coming out anyway, bro. We gonna head that way. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'm ready.